This is our girls junior varsity 400 meters. Meanwhile, we're going to announce our triple jumpers. We need our 9 finalists for triple jump to come on over. We need McManaman of Huntington Beach, Sheridan of Los Alamitos, Heel of Edison, Tran of Fountain Valley, Nigo of Fountain Valley, McMahon of Los Alamitos, Amor of Fountain Valley. You need all to return. You get 3 more jumps for the finals. And again, the Moreno sisters are going to be busy here. Fountain Valley, go back to the triple jump as you made the finals. Move on to our boys triple jump. Kevin Ross of Huntington Beach, Cam McMahon of Edison, Ben Chow of Los Alamitos, Alex Wing of Marina, David Straw of Fountain Valley, David Thomas Doe of Fountain Valley, Sean Alley of Los Alamitos, and Parker Obert of Huntington Beach, and Isaiah Galloway. You've all made the finals for the triple jump, and you are granted 3 more attempts. And now moving back to the track here, our girls junior varsity 400.